Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show how you can install Node.js in your Ubuntu machine or any Ubuntu system. In this video I am going to use Ubuntu latest version, that is Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. So let's go to the installation process. For installing Node.js in your machine, first of all you need to open your terminal. So I have opened my terminal here, and we will use the terminal and execute some of the command, and it will automatically install the Node.js in our machine. Before executing the commands, first of all we need to go to the official website of Node.js. So let's go there. Okay, here is the nodejs.org. That is the official site of Node.js. So here you will get the whole documentation how you can install and download Node.js in your machine. Let's go to the download button, and this is the download page, actually not the button. So here you can see some of the options that using those options you can download and install Node.js in your machine. So here you can see first of all the versions. So this is the latest version, latest LTS, long-term support version of Node.js, that is the 24.15404. Also you can choose other versions too, but in this video I'm going to use the latest version. And then this is the option for OS. So this is the Mac OS. You can actually use and download and install Node.js in different OS. So here are the different options, and the next one is for actually the tool that we are using to install the Node.js. So this is the nvm, fnm, docker, and the other options here. So brew is for macOS, this is for docker, and we will use nvm. So nvm stands for Node Version Manager. It's a tool that lets us install and switch between multiple versions of Node.js on the same machine. So this is and FNM is another alternative and very faster than NVM, but for the time being we are using NVM tool. And this is the package manager, which package manager we want to install within this Node.js. This is the npm, yarn, and the pnpm. Those are the options. So in this video I am going to choose the npm version. So here you can see the installations guide or commands. You can execute these commands one by one, or you can do one thing, you can copy everything at once using this button, copy to clipboard. So I just copied all these commands at once and go to the terminal and paste it everything here. And after pasting everything you can just hit enter, and whenever you have hit enter, then automatically it will download and install Node.js in your machine. So I have already actually installed Node.js in my machine or in my system. That is why it takes lesser time, but in your case it will take some time. Depending on your internet speed, then it will automatically install the Node.js version. So you can see the Node.js version, and this is the npm version. We can test it using one simple file. So let's go to do that. Vim app.js, hit I, and console.log. let's say hello Node.js and save, then run the file Node.js app. So here you can see the hello Node.js. So congratulations, you have successfully installed the Node.js in your machine. That's all for this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.